Hello, my name is Noah Adofina, and here is a website that I built. So, I didn't really know any HTML or CSS before this week. I'm pretty proud with how it came out, even if it is maybe a bit messy. Um, so just to give a quick walkthrough, there's a header with some navigation links. Some of the stuff changes colors as you hover over it. This is a picture of me along with some links to my LinkedIn and GitHub. I have a couple sections talking about my skills and showing projects that I've worked on. One thing that I did do at the very end was connect this website to Google Analytics. And I made sure to test that it's actually working. Oh, it just disappeared right now. Last 30 minutes, but that's set up to at least track how many people are visiting the website. I thought that was pretty cool. And here's those navigation links. Yeah, so this is my website, noahadofina.com. Thank you.